If you guys want to learn this one secret that's made me hundreds of dollars in the reselling game and made me gain a 50% edge over most of these resellers, make sure you guys stay tuned for this video where I'll be telling one of my most essential reselling secrets. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another banger, man. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to cop bulk pairs of sneakers. I'm talking about 25 to 50 pairs at one time if executed properly. I know you guys be on Instagram and YouTube and see these big resellers copping these mass amounts of shoes. I'm talking about 50, 100, 1,000 pairs at one time. Now they're all using this one valuable secret. You guys are gonna wanna stick around for the entire video so you don't miss a single section, because each section is important. Like I say in all my videos, you feel me? If you miss a single section, you might mess up somewhere. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned for the entire video. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to the team, you feel me? Thank you to all the new subscribers. And if you are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? You feel me? Make sure you hit that button right there. Yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's gonna be in either corner. Just click it if you're on desktop, and you know what I'm saying, join the family. Let's get into the video. Now guys, as you know, in this reselling business, buying low and selling high is the name of the game. So it's kind of just like stocks. You buy low, you sell high for a profit. But sometimes this can be difficult depending on where you're buying the sneakers from or who you're buying the sneakers from. It all comes down to knowing where to look and where to find these huge extreme discounts. And I know all you guys know about the Nike outlet. And no, this is not like nobody else's video. This is exclusive. You feel me? This is exclusive. It's not gonna be no like beat around the bush. Go over there for these discounts. No. I'm gonna give y'all some insider information. You feel me? Now guys, just because a sneaker sells out in one area or one store doesn't mean it's gonna be sitting on the shelves at another store or another area in the country. So two things can happen when a sneaker releases. Either it's gonna sell out like immediately like that, or it's gonna be sitting and therefore it's gonna be discounted and moved to the Nike outlets, and that's where we eat. You feel me? Now guys, the advantage that we get with shopping at the Nike outlets is that you get to buy a larger quantity of a sneaker at the Nike outlets compared to the regular retailer or regular store. So for example, I could go to the Nike outlet and buy 10 plus pairs of sneakers, just depending on how much decoys or people I have with me. But at a regular retailer, it's kind of more difficult to do that because a singular person can only cop probably around like 3 to 4 pairs max, depending on how much people they have with them on a hyped release. And guys, when I say decoys, that means people that you bring with you just to pose as like a stranger so you can cop as much pairs as possible. So in my case, I'll bring my shorty, my mom, my dad, my cousins, you know, so I'd be like 10 deep in a Nike store, walk out of that boy with like 40 pairs, you feel me? Just depending on how much money or how much capital you do bring. But at a Foot Locker store, it's probably only like 1 pair per person, 2 pairs per, nah, it's only 1 pair per person on hype releases. So if I came 10 deep, I would only get 10 pairs. Nike store came 10 deep, and each person gets 4 pairs, that's 40 pairs all day. Oh. So think about it, guys. 40 pairs, if each pair run for 100, that's gonna be 4,000 that you have to give up in capital. So you have to have $4,000 initially in order to buy the inventory. So $4,000, and just say each sneaker resell for 200 and they resell for 100, so you know, $100 profit. So you'll make a gross of $8,000, but that's not including profit, that's just gross what you're gonna make. So that's the upside of selling bulk. You can flip $4,000 to $8,000 essentially, not including profit, but you know, 4,000 profit, that's still good money, you feel me? 4,000 to 4,000 profit. Guys, one thing that you're gonna have to steer clear of is the 10 item limit that each outlet has. So one individual person can only buy 10 items, whether that be clothing, sneakers, whatever. A way to get around this is to find somebody that looks like he cool, you feel me? Like he look like he pretty chill. It could be a girl either, but you know, I mess with dudes like in the sneaker industry. So you know, I walk up to him and be like, hey bro, you need some extra money? Cause you know, I know you let in your rent. And then he gonna be like, of course. So then I'm gonna offer him maybe like an extra $10 or $20 for him to cop some extra pairs on his behalf or on his name. So it won't look like I'm buying them, but it look like he's getting them for himself, but he's really just giving them back to me. So you know what I'm saying? You just gotta know how to work the system. And whoa, hold on. That kind of sounds bad, bro. I said work the system. There's nothing illegal, but you know, you just gotta know how to get around certain things and certain, like, you know. So guys, once you pay that guy to buy shoes on his behalf, and once you have your decoys ready, you're ready to go in, you feel me? going with at least maybe like 3 people with you. So it's 4 people in total, you and the other 3, you know what I'm saying? Your shorty, your mom, your dad, the easy 3. And then get old dude to buy extra 10 pairs. This is a 10 pair limit. He probably don't got the limit since he worked there, but get him to buy an extra 10 pairs depending on how much money you got. That's 50 pairs easy. Easy 50 pairs. Now guys, when you are buying these sneakers from the outlets, make sure you guys analyze them and look at every angle of the sneaker. Get a great look at these sneakers, because sometimes these can be B grades or defective sneakers. Sometimes shoes end up at outlets because they're defective. So they come from the assembly line and they're transported straight to the outlets. That could be, you know, the sole is like uneven, no insole. It could be something as little as that, but that can mess up the whole flipping situation, because that can mess your profit up. People aren't gonna buy defective shoes. That's just that. And also another thing is, watch how the box looks. Analyze the box as well as the sneakers, because if you guys have ever sold to StockX or Go, if the box is defective, people aren't offering as much, so you might make an extra $30 to $20 less on the shoe just because of the box got a crease or the box is punched in, something stupid like that. But that's gonna mess your money up. So make sure you guys watch the boxes, make sure the box is in perfect condition as well as the shoes. Now guys, this might be common sense to most of y'all, but make sure you have your StockX app up or your Goat app, whatever platform you sell on. I prefer Facebook, you feel me? But make sure you guys have your app up so you can check the price as you're looking for the sneaker. So say you see some random Nikes just sitting on the display, and you scroll on StockX and you look the name up, you be like, oh my God, bro, these boys worth like 200, 350, you feel me? You never know, you never heard of these shoes, but they might be going for some money. Make sure you guys have the apps open at all times so you can be quick on your purchases, because somebody could be coming right behind you and snatch those right up and you never knew they were worth money. Now guys, this is one of my most top secrets that I've never told anybody. I've never posted none of that crap. Well, some people might know, but every 3 months, Nike does a 30% off discount for friends and family. This is very beneficial if you are trying to cop bulk. As you guys know, if you're getting 30% off of your total, I mean, think about it. 30% off of 4,000, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what that is, but 30% off of 4,000, that's a big chunk off right there, and that increases your profit margin that much more. Now guys, if you are subscribed to like a Nike email list or like a Nike mail list, something like that, they will most likely send you a notification when the 30% discount is coming up or coming near one of your Nike stores in your location. So yeah, make sure you guys stay out on the look for that, because you're not gonna wanna miss any of those friends and family discount sales. Now, if you guys did enjoy that video, make sure you guys leave a like, comment if you're new to the channel, subscribe, you feel me? I'm gonna be posting more videos like this, and I'm also gonna be making a series on this entire topic of releasing my secrets. So make sure you guys sub if you wanna see the entire series and you don't miss any of the videos.